So today we're in the slime shop. Where's the water slime? So I'm gonna find a slime that is probably beautiful. So I'm gonna start finding them.
Vea qué lindo.
This is probably smelly.
¿Este huele? Huela.
It smells paper. It don't smell nothing.
Siéntese, Nela. Siéntese.
I
Ok,
wish I
ya
can-
voy, ya voy.
I wish I can have this slime.
No, only one
Yeah.
bucket.
So I'm gonna find.
Wow, mira este, Melanie.
Whoa, that's a big one. I'm gonna find.
Oh, this is different.
Guys, I found one.
Look.
Slime.
Which one you want to take?
This one has.
Whoa,
silver
three
star-
colors.
3 colors. I found it that I choose. Probably has a hanger. I'm not gonna mix it up.
¿Y esto qué es? What is this for? This is to make shapes with the slime.
Ooh, I like it. Oh, look it. This is black.
Nice.
Oh, this is all slime. I mean, this is slime.
Look, this is a good package.
Yep, but that costs like a lot
One,
of money.
2, 3, 4. No, it's almost the same size, but you wanted that because that is it has
Yes.
sprinkles.
Sprinkles. I changed in my mind. This has surprise
What is this?
inside.
What
it
is
has
this?
surprise inside.
Oh,
And this is all slime.
all slimes with a toy inside.
Yes.
Oh, I can see this one. Look. What is this? What is it?
It's a toy.
What do you think it is?
A donut.
I think you're hungry. Are you hungry?
No.
Oh,
What is that?
this looks yummy.
Let me hear. Ooh, look it. Is this to make?
I think it says slimy cafe. Cafe. And what is this? What is this for?
I don't know.
Squish, slimy.
It looks like. Oh, look at from Toy Story. Toy Story.
That doesn't belong here. And this week we are in a fall break, so we're gonna do a lot of things,
Yep.
like painting this for a bird, right?
I want to tell you something. This is for the mom's room, and this is for the baby's room. And that's for Nick's room. Dad's room. We're gonna paint
Oh,
them.
yes, because winter is so cold for the little birds.
Yes, and they can be like.
Okay, so let's go. You're gonna pay, right, Melanie? Melanie, you're gonna pay, right?
No, I don't have money. You're gonna pay.
Let's
I
go.
don't have money.
Yes, you do.
No.
The piggy bank.
We have this game.
Yeah, we do. We never play. Oh, let's see the Christmas. Let's go. Let's see the Christmas stuff. Okay.
If you already give me a present, a blue present, I'm gonna open it.
And oh, that's so cute.
A present.
Oh, what is this for? I don't.
It's for putting presents.
Oh
for
no.
someone's
You
birthday.
can put like a candle on the bottom. Any lights? I think
A
so.
present. A present.
I don't know.
It's so cute.
Oh, I like that tree. Oh, that's so cute. Look at the snowman.
What the what?
Snowman.
Hello, I'm a nutcracker. Do you like me? I have a Christmas tree. Hello, do you want presents? Here's a tree.
He has a tree, yes.
Yes. He's talking because I'm holding him.
Nice to play.
Ooh, what is that? Hi, you want a present?
Is he singing? Is he singing?
No.
No.
La la la. Christmas.
Fa la 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 la, fa la la la.
La la. Merry Christmas. Here's a reindeer. What is this made from?
That's made of wood.
Oh, no, it's not.
It's like a pine. I think it's like, yeah.
No, wait. Look, I see
Yeah,
it's like a
pine.
little.
Oh, no.
I'm
Don't
sorry.
scratch it. Oh, like you, big eyes.
Yeah. Hi guys, today's my channel. I got this slimes from Walmart. We have sprinkles and a sparkly. And today, look at them. You can't see probably the sprinkles, but we have little birds' houses because we feel bad for them because they can feel a little bit coldy. So some, I don't know if we can paint them. We made pink and purple. Pink and blue. Look at this beautiful slime. It has sparkles. And my big sister made this. It's probably a little bit blue. She put a little bit more blue, and I put a lot of pink. So I don't know. So I'm gonna put my slime over here. It's okay if it mix up because sometimes it can flat up, and it's so stretchy. I love it. It's our favorite. Guys, look at this. Oh, it feels so good. We have probably 3 slimes. Right, Nela? Uh-huh. Look, we have blue, pink, and those glitter colors that I showed you. And you can mix it up. See the pictures? You can mix it up to this. I'm not going to do that because I don't just spit. No, I know that. Also, it's so stretchy. It's going to sparkle. Yep, because I mixed it. Sparkly. So I'm going to make a bubble. I was about to make a bubble, but I missed it. I love making bubble with my slime. Ow, slime. I forgot. Yo, can you say hello? So cool. I'm probably gonna pop it. Owie. It's so cool. For me.
¿Ya termino, Melanie?
No. Thanks for watching. It's guys, I really put a thumbs up. Bye guys.